Hi guys, this is Ishwa from Ishwa Vlogs. How are you all? I am fine here. So today I'm going to recommend about this new spinner I bought in LuLu Mall today. So today I actually went to LuLu Mall. I went to LuLu Mall and at the morning in 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. So there in first floor there was a toy shop. And there I bought this new spinner. The spinner cost 55 rupees. See guys how this spinner is very colorful and vibrant and also shining. This is a very cheap spinner. It only cost 55. So the spinner is looking very nice for me. So this video is all about unboxing this spinner. So now I'm going to unbox this spinner. I unbox. Looking very nice. Yui! Very fastly spinning for just a small touch. See guys how fast it is spinning. And again the balls are making a nice silver ring, shining silver. See guys, I can catch on my hand and on my finger and I can spin it. Whee! Very nice now guys, reflecting and a small silver iron ring, spinning for a long time guys. See this heart shape and the balls in middle of the hearts are very attractive guys. This spinner I bought for time pass. If the mood is not nice, I can spin this and I can play, and it can make us time pass. Just a small soft touch and softly and spin this. It will spin very fast. So see guys, heart shape is very nice. Shape is very nice. If you want more spinners means you can check that store. Store is very attractive. Store has very attractive spinners. So actually on the box it was written made in China, but in the shop when I checked that full box of many spinners, there it was made in India. I don't know, but this is made in China or India. The box can be useful for storing this. It has a small hole for keychain oils. We can keep one thread and we can handle it and we can go to somewhere. So guys, this spinner I like the most. I give 5 out of 5.